What's going on, everybody? Vinny and Paul here. So sorry we've been gone for a couple weeks. It has been the craziest end to this year. So Paul got married in September. Brent, who's not here, got married in August. I just got married 2 weeks ago in October. And we got another buddy's wedding this weekend. So this year has been just insane. So this company, Yita Motors, sent us these Odro step boards to throw on Paul's truck, and so now we're gonna do a review of those, and then after that we're going to get my truck and bringing it to my new house. I just bought a new house here in Michigan, and so we're gonna get the truck from my parents over to the new house. So we're gonna show you the new house and give you an update on what's going on with the truck. So let's get these thrown on real quick, let you know what we think, and then let's go get the truck. Okay, so we just got the passenger side put on, and I don't know, I think they look pretty good for the truck.
Looks good. Should have washed the truck.
Yeah, you know, living on a dirt road, what are you gonna do? So we'll go ahead and see how it's like stepping on them. I mean, that's moving the whole truck.
Yeah, I mean, it seems pretty sturdy.
Does it feel useful?
For me?
Yeah.
No, just in the aspect I feel like nothing against the step ups. It's just I would put them on my truck if my truck was higher.
Exactly. Yeah.
Quality and everything, they seem pretty good. I mean, I'm happy with what they sent us.
Yeah. I mean, I think those are super sweet. So we're gonna go ahead and throw the driver's set on. But honestly, these are pretty dope. So if you are looking to get a set, link is down in the description. And
yeah, I mean, I think the colors go good too.
Yeah,
I like the little like chrome accent.
Yeah, I think it does match the truck really well.
Whatever.
Yeah. All right, well, like I said, we're gonna throw on the driver's side real quick, but we would recommend them if you're looking to get some step bars. They work really good, and they're pretty reasonably priced. So hit the link in the description to get your own set, and let's go get my truck from my parents' house.
What the heck, buddy? Keep videotaping me now.
Let's try the cable on
right
here.
now.
Make sure this is gonna work. And then it works okay, and let's
No, I want to be up.
That's what I want.
Not where did I put my keys? The hook. I found our other P.O. box key.
Ton.
Right there.
Dripping a lot of fluid. Oh yeah. It's pretty dark.
Gonna run out here. We only got like 12 inches. Really? Yeah. Come down. Well, like this. Are you holding the brake? Yeah. Back there, I just had a running truck.
truck is, because like I thought for sure like I would have had space compared to your dad's truck. But, I mean, I guess I really don't know how close we are to the front right now, but
We got space.
I just see that and I'm like, oh yeah, we're not.
A little bit. How far are they away from here?
Who?
Their house.
Hour.
An hour away from here?
38 miles.
It's like 45 minutes.
Well, and this is going to be an hour.
Yeah, that's true.
Alright, let's get that chain off.
Let's get it off.
Yeah. Oh fuck, where am I going?
Are you serious?
This is
You got your foot on the brake?
Yep.
Rock it.
Come on, we're so.
Oh, brake! Oh, yeah, I was gonna say, now I was gonna roll forward.
Woo! I gotta push it into the garage.
Measure?
No, it's not.
Oh my god.
It's an average vehicle. Should it fit?
Ready?
Garage isn't gonna close.
Got loose.
Who didn't do this prep work? I thought I was gonna be able to leave it back there, I'm not gonna lie.
We're clear.
Yes!
I don't know how you're gonna pull that motor, but
Well, the whole front end's coming off.
there we go.
The whole front end, and the whole thing's just gonna come out this way.
And down the driveway. Was that yours, Brent? Yeah, that's mine.
Alright, so truck is officially in the new house. Right, so just like that, the truck is in the garage at the new house. Finally gonna start getting everything going with the truck. So we're gonna get the engine pulled. So pretty much the whole front clip is coming off, front bumper's coming off, getting it all pulled apart, getting the engine pulled out. And then we should have a running truck again once we rebuild the engine. So we're gonna go with a Texas Speed, low lift, stage 3 cam, probably new torque converter, and a couple other things, just get the truck back up and running. So that's everything to come here soon. So hope you guys enjoyed us getting the truck and getting those step bars on Paul's truck. Once again, I'm Vinny with Caswell Customs. I'll see you guys in the next one.
It's free real estate.